Gaga, video pala.
Hello! CBS. Hello! Mga pambato ng cross. Hello! Yeah.
Magician. Ito pambato. Ito pambato.
Buti na here.
Pambato po namin to.
Yeah, I know, right? Now I can't tell you what it is. Just do a cover. Okay? So guys, ito po ang cover ng The Climb by Miley Cyrus by Ben Sahanos.
Ko alam yun.
Kay Miley Cyrus. The Climb. It's The Climb! Again, oh,
Hindi ko alam yun.
sige, iba na lang. Ano ba? Ano gusto mo?
Ano?
Kahit ano gusto mo?
Eh, magsabi ka.
Di mo alam yung mga gustang side. Alam mo yun. Mga simple plan, gano'n. You know?
Sige, ang alam ko lang simple pa, perfect.
Oh, perfect.
Perfect.
Oo.
Hey, Dad, look at me.
Gumagalay-galay kami.
Think back. Punyet.
Di ba ganun yun sa ano?
Ba't naman
Gumagalaw-galaw.
close out, tapos gaganon mo?
Sige, dali.
Think back and talk to me that I grow up according to plan. Do you think I'm with my time? Sunod mo?
Doing things that you wanna do.
Doing things you wanna do, but it hurts when you disapprove all along. And now I try hard to make it. I just wanna make you proud. I've never wanna
Dali!
good enough for you. Can't pretend that I'm alright.
Another fight!
I fight. Can't stand another fight.
And I just can't take it.
And I can't take it, 'cause I lost it all.
Nothing lasts forever.
Sorry, I can't. Perfect. Tama na!
But it's not too late.
But it's not too late. But you can't go back. Sorry, I can't be perfect.
Iba pa cover.
Iba.
Ano pa gusto mo kanta? Another video.